under the floorboards?
My tools are under there.
Oh, okay.
So I had to take out my starting torch.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. How's she looking?
Steaming up now.
Yeah, it's got a little too much mist. It's got to go clear.
It's cold. It's got to heat up.
How long does it take to get a head of steam?
15, 20 minutes.
Oh, it's not too bad.
It's about 125 now.
What do you
About
run?
200.
200?
Why do I have two? Why do I have, this is pressure also, right?
That's steam and that's fuel.
Now you burn kerosene, right?
I burn gasoline.
Gasoline? Okay.
Yeah. You can burn either.
Oh, okay. There she is. And this is a 2-cylinder?
Yes, 2-cylinder.
Very good. Adjusting the jets. That's to fill the water. How much mileage do you get with a gallon of water?
About a mile per gallon.
Okay.
About 1 to 1. Yeah.
1 to 1. And you carry how many gallons on board?
About 20.
Remarkable. These are amazing. I love the stack, the chimney, by the way. That's really cool.
Yeah, not too much heat comes out of it. It's not too bad.
That's great. That's so efficient. I love it.
I think it's there.
Ah,
Steamed up. 10 minutes early.
You said 120, right?
What's that?
120 you're going to run it at?
see the gears down there. Now, if you notice, no rear brakes. That's typical of the era. Then remember, this is 1900. I can get underneath. Ah. You can see what you've got there. Let's clear this up. There's the motor up there. See the bottom of the pistons? You can follow the connecting rods down to the crank. The crank actually runs the rear gears. I'll clear that up. Goes directly to the chain and back. There's no transmission. Of course, you've got the collider P. That is your horn, if you shall. Beautiful, and that's your boiler over there. Steam cars were amazing.
Right now. It's closed. Open.
So
Nice.
if you thought you had too much pressure, you can relieve it from there.
No. If somebody plays with this when they're not supposed to, it won't go. That turns it off. So it's, technically you could take this out and take this handle, and then your car is, it's like taking a key.
Now I noticed that you have a stainless steel boiler.
Yeah.
What was the original?
It was just regular mild steel.
Uh-huh.
So that's a new burner.
Very
The
good.
original burners didn't work that good.
Yeah.
So it's a replacement burner.
Oh, they're still developing.
Yeah, it's early
So-
stuff. Early technology.
Is this your first steam car?
First what?
Steam car.
Yeah. Yeah, this is my first one.
I hate to ask, what got you interested in steam?
A friend of mine was a big steam car nut, and he got me interested in it. He got me into it.
Very good. Fascinating. Aren't they amazing?
Yeah. The big Stanleys really move,
Oh, well look, they set the speed record, 127 miles an hour.
In 1906.
Yep. Yep. And of course, they're the only ones which would climb the Rockies, the mountain wagon.
Yeah.
Down in the Marshall Museum at oh shoot.
Yep, I've been there.
Oh, of course you have, I know. If you're into steam, you've got to be there.
Yep.
So that's pretty cool. Oh, TR3. Waiting to pull out.
All right, thank you.
It's a 1900 Locomobile.